Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide sensitive notifications from your apps on Android. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want notifications from some of your app to be private such that they can't pop up or they can't be accessed by anyone, the good thing Android phones have this feature. To do so, just head to settings and tap on settings here, and then head to apps, and you can see we have apps option here. Now under this, head to app lock, and then you'll have to enter your PIN to unlock, or you can unlock using your fingerprints. So once you have unlocked your fingerprints, you'll be able to see all your apps, both locked up and unlocked apps. So go ahead and identify the app that you want to hide sensitive information. So we shall use this feature to hide sensitive notifications from our apps. But first, you need to go ahead and add a lock to that app. For my case, I have only one app, that is Google Docs, added to apps with app lock. So for my case, I like to hide sensitive notifications on my email. So I'll go to Gmail app. Here it is, then toggle on. And now you can see it has been added to the list of apps that are locked. And I'll need a password or fingerprints to access these apps. However, with this, I still receive notifications and anyone can see them. So if I want to hide sensitive notifications from any of these apps after adding them on app log, go ahead and tap on I want to hide sensitive notifications. And here you are told app lock can do this for protected apps. So the app needs to be protected. Now I'll go ahead and tap on it, and you can see only protected apps are two, Google Docs and Gmail. Now I want to hide notifications from Gmail. I'll go ahead and toggle on Gmail, and now we are told here notification content is now hidden on Gmail. So each and every time I receive an email, it will not pop up on my screen. I'll need to unlock it for the notifications to be displayed. So that's how you can hide sensitive notifications on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.